Yeah, it's 9:07 Central. I caught up watching this S&P breakdown. It's pretty bearish. They moved below this 59. It's a very important price for bias. They just backed up to it, made a resistance. There is some small support down at 69.41 quarter. Pretty decent price, but there's also a target and better support at 69.2875. And everything I've seen since they opened at 8:30, it's been soft. So again, a really important price for bias as we go on at 59, and there's some resistance above at 69.80 half to 69.88 quarter. Financials, it's just, to me, it just seems weird. A 50 handle break in the stocks and financials don't move. Bonds are below a pretty key price for bias. I think we've talked about it before on these tapes, just because there's no action. But 114.28, that's a pretty important price for the bonds. And if they can stay below that, you're keeping downside pressure on the market. This trade doesn't interest me too much, and I like buying highs and selling lows. But bonds, if you start trading some O2s, you can see like a nine handle, like a 9-tick push up to 11. But you got some issues with that trade. The entry's a little bit dicey, but keep it in mind, you guys are bullish, or if you're long looking to add somewhere, you got potential for that to make some upside progress. The trade I'm looking for is 10 years. We can trade some 25 halves. I want to buy some. Not much of a trade. 29 half, maybe 31 half for a target, but I'm going to try that. If the other side of the coin, the 10 years, flip back over to the downside and roll over, 17 halves and 17s can be sold. You got a target at 13, and who knows, something crazy comes out news-wise, maybe you test the month low.